This town dates back many, many years. This car park next to me used to be a big factory that done silk. There's a sign, I believe it's Court. So as you can see, it's a big car park, obviously, but all of this used to be a factory. Focus. That building over there, that's an original building. Not sure how long that dates back to, but it's fairly old. So just behind me up this little track is the air raid shelters that I was bringing you to. Now, these air raid shelters date back to the 19th century, World War II even. Lots of stinging nettles. Unfortunately, there is lots. I mean, it goes really high. But you think you're going into someone's garden, but you're not. But it's a big forest. Well, I wouldn't say forest. But the location that I'm in is, like I said earlier, due to be demolished, unfortunately. So I thought I'd bring you here, ouch, quickly, to show you the location. Oh, and we have found one. Our first, oh, the top's open. So our first air raid shelter. So as you can see, the location is pretty easy to get to. It's pretty dark down there, huh? But got my torch. In total, there is about 16. Ouch, I've been stung. About 16 underground air raid shelters, and there's this giant one here, which we will also go through, which they used to do all the telephones and computers and things up there. So just waiting for the boys and then we'll get cracking. Hope you enjoy. So as you can see, there's a fire extinguisher down there.
On the chair. And a very old, if you come over this side, underneath the gas bowl is a very old lawnmower there.
Oh, right, yeah.
It's a push lawnmower.
Well, what I'll do is I'll go down that last.
Good.
Let's go and find some more. Has an imprint, but we don't know what the name is. Ooh, spoons. Little jar pots that we found. So in total there's 16 air raid shelters, which were built by Courtaulds in 1939. And this one that's built on top was actually used for communication. So they'd have all their videos. Of course, I couldn't have videos. My torch is nowhere near as good as my dad's, but it's going to be extremely boggy in there, if you can see. No. So I'll go around the other side. But yeah, this was done by courts. Oh my god, that's polystyrene. These are polystyrene blocks. Oh my gosh. Hey Sam. Wow, look at this beam. Above me. Goes on for some time. Looks fairly oh, I don't really want to trust that too fair. So I wonder if I had the computers in this part. Old school desk. That's the entrance that I looked in first. So as far as I'm aware, this location never actually got bombed. Oh look, there's actually another. Oh, that's a shame. It's completely waterlogged down there. That's actually an open entrance. You can actually see stream. The water's so polluted around here. So I'm actually going to walk on top of it. And this is how long it is. So they're fairly long. You can fit about 50 people. And unfortunately, people come along and just fill it with all sorts. And lots and lots and lots and lots of rubbish. But as you can see, there's that one there. And then you've got that one there. So they're all like in a line. Forgive me. I'm getting a sweaty top lip going on. I don't know what the boys are doing. I think they're still looking. Oh, this one's another open one. When I've got my dad's torch, I'll go down there and we'll have a look. There's so much wildlife here. I mean, you think, look how big that tree is. How long that tree must have been there. This is something that's so boggy. So how many of you counted so far that we've seen? One when we come in, that one, then the other one, this one. So that's 4, right? I don't know what's up there. Seems to be quite a lot. That wall has been there. I mean, it's now completely taken by overgrowth. But to think that many years ago that would have been filled with people communicating to the outside. What's in that part?
Whole train, men's dress up, and a scooter or a bike.
Oh,
Look like a bike.
oh, I'm being called. Oh, I'm so glad I got boots on. This is nasty. Okay. Yeah?
Looking in this one.
Yeah.
Have you looked at it?
Yeah, it's absolutely swamped in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think that's the only... Ouch! I think that's the only one that we can actually walk in as well.
No, there was loads across here.
Oh yeah, I don't even know if I'd be able to get...
No, you wouldn't, because that'd cover you.
as I'm going to allow my phone to reach.
Right, another one here.
But yeah, it's like... I don't want to swim today.
You know all that nice concrete you saw in there, Dad?
Yeah. Dad.
Yeah. All that nice concrete you saw in that building?
Yeah.
Fine. This is the insulation foam.
Yeah.
I think I found another bike of what that seat comes from as well.
Let me
Right.
reach into this one.
On one side, there would be a toilet, and on the other side, I think is well, it might be another toilet, but I always thought that was something else.
It's completely loads of water in there.
Well,
And I found an entrance. Ow! See, I'm getting stung through my trousers.
Yep, I've definitely got to get you a pair of these.
Like, really badly. Hello? Oh, we need a spirit box. Yeah, I'm walking all the way to the end. These have still got male and female on the door. So they are toilets. What? Yeah. You've got male and female toilets. Hey, you there. How dark it is in here. This is what I see. So it's really dark in here. Actually come across the lid for one. You would have thought it had been some sort of... That must have been really heavy because it's stone.
concrete.
Yeah. See, like the metal around the edge, where it would have stuck around that.
And this is metal.
Is it? When I knocked it, it didn't sound like metal.
Well, there's a screw there.
Oh yeah.
Another one there. There.
All in the
there.
corners.
Now that might either be
The
pull
latch.
down hatch, or it might be the I can see it in my head, hinge.
Yeah.
Did you video that?
This piece of metal has grown like, well, the tree has grown round this tin thing. Hey, well done. So we found another entrance to another one, which is the end, did you say? Because the door is actually facing the opposite direction to the others. And this one actually has the entrance hatch still onto it, which is pretty nifty. Ooh, there's a slug!
What?
There was a slug.
Can I see?
Yeah, perfect. So I'm actually on charge.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here is actually a... Whoa. Here is actually an old baby bath. The tinned bath. You sit in front of the fire, sharing the water. But just imagine, 50 people in here.
Yeah, I know. That's going to be really cramped. They're going to be all standing up.
And I don't know about if you guys are, but I'm actually warm in here.
I'm fucking sweating like crazy. What the fuck is this?
Drugs. Ugh.
There's not a crack in the floor, man.
Yeah, that's what he said earlier.
Oh, sorry.
So, which I haven't actually got on any other doors, is the actual thing that you'd open to see who was on the other side.
It's perfect, do it?
It's pretty cool, huh?
And then you've got that one. Yeah, I can't see any use for that. For sales one.
Pretty rad, huh?
Homemade.
Okay, so my dad found this little thing. It's, what is it? What is it?
Vegetable.
It's for vegetables. I don't know if you've ever seen one. It's come apart.
Doesn't matter.
But you can slide back in.
No, just open it all the way up.
And you'd use this for your veg. I'll put that in a minute.
Not that one.
And you'd wait until
Your
boiling,
water's boiling.
and then you'd close it or something. It's a little ship. But just thought I'd show you that. Looks really cool. Just come across this round. To me, I thought it was a well. If anyone knows what this is, put a comment down below for me, because I haven't got a foggy. But it's like there's a bottom to it because I put this stick in there.
Yeah, and that's still there. I don't know, what are these?
Just looks like it. I would say wallpaper. It's not.
So this is where they would have like come down here.
Seems to be like an altar, just an altar decoration.
Yeah.
I was all decorated wood. Had wood beams coming around.
Wow.
And that looks like where they were storing the bricks.
Nowhere now on the inside.
They also have some sort of, yeah. One's got a couple there.
Yeah, I think it's a plastering because you can notice.
Yeah, the undercoat.
Yeah, that's the top.
If anybody knows what this area was for, again, put a comment below for me.
Oh man, I'm really tired.
Looks like this used to maybe be the walkway, because there's like
Oh my God, look.
so we have found another one,
That's where they stack all their papers.
but this one has a coat rack in it, and this come across fag butts and candles.
Gosh.
Shooting him. Wow, this is tiny. This even has a loo roll holder on it. Go in there and shut the door, it's horrible. So today's vlog has come to an end. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. It's been fun doing it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Check out my Facebook channel. All the links will be put in below. If you've got any questions, don't forget to comment. And I will see you soon.